PDF Generator is a tool that can help you export selective rectangle from model space directly to PDF file while choosing specific title block, paper layout, and various layout settings. When you open our tool, it goes in Block AutoCAD, so you can work in both applications at the same time. So we can easily navigate from one application to another. We will start by selecting corners of the region that we would like to print. So let's draw some line that we, for example, want to print. We can click on Select Corners and pick any corners. And if have navigated away from it, or if we can find area that we selected, we just click on Show and it will return to that point. Or we can create rectangle and choose Select Corners again and pick these corners. And now it would be easier for us to understand which area will be printed. Next selection is title block. So this is going to be your DWG file that contains title block with all geometry and attribute setup. If you choose title block that is currently not supported, you will be provided with this message. It will give you your sizes of that title block and inform you about supported sizes. So let's select the valid one. Once we set up our title block selection, we can go to Paper Setup. Here we can select printers and our styles. Then we can go to Layout Setup. Here, before we go to printing our file to PDF, we can choose to save it as a layout or PDF file, and to specify locations for it. So before with print this to PDF file, let's preview it. Click on Preview. So we can see that PDF Generator took our title block, it read its geometry, and based on that geometry it calculates where to put this viewport. Since we select Scale to Fit, it shows us what is in that region. Now let's select title block that is a 0 and click on Preview. So if we are on a paper space, we would have to move to model space in order to Generator to work. Again, we would receive a message with it. So let's go to model space and click on Preview Print. Now we can see that viewport has a different location, since it's based on geometry of our title block. When we set up everything, we can click on OK. Since we select to save our layout, it will be saved with this default name and this location. And we can also see that Plot Chop is in progress. Create your own PDFs with this simple and time-saving method.